Alright, today's day 4. Here's my solution. It's still clear, no precipitate, not much going on new in there. So, stop laughing at me.
I want to be in it.
In making my crystal, the alum crystals, what we first did, we dissolved aluminum in a solution of 4 molar KOH and made a saturated solution. And the equation for that would be Al plus OH minus plus 3H2O goes to AlOH to the 4th minus and 3/4 H2. And the second step was you add 9 molar sulfuric acid to the AlOH4 minus, and this causes aluminum hydroxide to precipitate out of the solution, and the equation for this would be AlOH4 plus H2SO4 goes to 2AlOH3 plus SO4 2 minus plus H2O plus SO4 2 minus. Third, additional sulfuric acid neutralizes the basic aluminum hydroxide precipitate, and the solid hydroxide dissolves, and this would be AlOH3, which is solid, plus 3H2SO4, which is aqueous, goes to Al3 plus 3H2O plus 3HSO4. And the fourth step was added to an ice bath, and this was used to precipitate the crystalline alum from the solution, and the equation for this would be K plus Al3 plus 2SO4 2 minus plus 12H2O goes to KaSO4 2 minus plus 12H2O. And for another way to how to approach growing crystals from NaCl, which is also table salt, you could add table salt to water, and you again want to make a saturated solution. So to help it dissolve, you can boil the water, and then you want to strain the solution through filter paper or some sort of filter, and pour the saturated solution into a clear container, which you will then cover with a napkin and wait over time for some crystals to grow. And another way to grow a crystal, I found in researching on MIT's Department of Chemistry of X-ray diffraction, and it is to use sugar, and you make a saturated sugar solution by adding sugar, like sugar cubes for example, to warm water until it won't dissolve anymore, and that's how you know that it's a saturated solution. And then you're going to pour your solution into a clear jar or container, and it's helpful to then add wooden sticks to the container and cover it with plastic wrap, and over time the crystals will form on the wooden sticks, and then you have your crystals.